we read that. Did you read in the news that we're not gonna wear a mask soon?
Very soon? Are you so happy?
Yeah.
Very happy?
Yeah.
Why? You don't want to wear a mask?
Masks are boring. I had to take off it and get it off and take off it, and I don't know which one when I'm gonna take off my mask or not.
So now are you happy without mask?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I usually when I go to martial arts school,
it's hard to breathe,
yeah,
right?
it's hard to breathe because you're doing exercising and you're tired and you can't breathe inside your mask.
Right.
But when we go to gym at school, we take off our mask.
Right. Oh, in the gym,
Yeah,
right?
right. Yeah.
Hi everyone out there. We are so excited in Alberta because so yesterday, February 8th of 2022, our Premier Jason Kenney here in Alberta announced.
Today, the COVID Cabinet Committee has approved a number of measures that constitute a careful and prudent plan to remove Alberta's public health restrictions and move on from a widespread pandemic response to get our lives back to normal.
Are you happy, Kuya? So, vaccine passport is gone in Alberta. And God is good, you know. If you are worried about your health, then just take precautions, right? And if you are not comfortable, you still wear your mask, right? So let some other people not wearing their mask if they don't want to, right? Oh, so many students. That's the good news for us here in Alberta, okay? And Jason Kenney announced also last night that by start February 28th, end to indoor masking, no limits on gatherings, no capacity limits for entertainment venues, removal of mandatory work at home. So people who are working at home, they have to go to work now in their office, right? So this is a good news, and God is moving in Canada, and I cannot wait to see more restriction is lifted. I cannot wait to take my kids more activities, even in the province of Saskatchewan. So Saskatchewan is just a neighborhood in Alberta. They are neighborhood province. God is moving in Canada, guys. So this is good news for us, especially if you are planning to come here in Alberta, right? Very soon, or you travel to Alberta. So now I can invite my friends to my home. I can go to their house. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to do that.